Hello, welcome to Whisper Creek's second episode, where we talk everything innovative, panelized, offsite construction building. And today we're going to discuss what we do at Whisper Creek to ensure quality. So, over the past decade, we have partnered with a company called Intertek. Intertek they have thousands of labs. They test anywhere from medicine to metallurgy and into building and construction. So they run a huge gamut. They have, I believe they're in over, well, it says right there, 100 countries. They deliver innovative and bespoke assurance testing, inspection, and certification solutions. So the biggest thing that they do for us is that we have worked with them on our quality assurance program, and we have our manual of all the different materials and the connections and how we're going to assemble everything. They've reviewed it, make sure that it is up to date with the latest IRC codes, and then they come in 4 to 6 times a year, and they'll just do a random inspection. They'll pull whatever project it is that we might be doing right then, or a project that we've completed, and they'll verify everything, site verify it, and go through all the paperwork to make sure that we've hit every one of those benchmarks for our quality assurance. And so when someone has a building department that is going to do a shear nail inspection, that's a little bit of an issue when you have our homes, because they're already sited. I mean, they're ready to set and go. And so the way that we will work with the building department with that is we will see if they will accept a letter about our project being part of a QC program through Intertek, and that works 90% of the time. For other ones where they are like, nope, we need to have this, what we will do is we'll arrange, there's a little bit of an additional fee overall for your building project, even though there might be an additional fee. There's places in California that make us do it, there's a few places in Colorado. You're still going to save 15 to 20% over building the exact same home stick by stick. So the savings is still there, even though you might have these additional costs to make sure that you can hit all of your inspections. But if they are demanding that they're going to, need that third-party inspection, we will talk with them. You might need to get us involved at corporate, and we will let them know that we work with Intertek. A lot of times they'll need to see some certifications from Intertek. Intertek has every certification you can imagine. And then they'll look through it all and say, yes, if Intertek comes out and does that, we'll accept this third-party inspection. So then we arrange for our representative to come out while we're building that project so he can watch it being built, and he can verify all of those things that they would verify during a building inspection when the siding wasn't on it. And so that's another option. So, there's a way that we can figure out how to meet whatever it is that building department is requiring. And then we'll get that follow-up paperwork to you, and then you turn it into the building department so that they know that this inspection's been done at the factory, and then you can just move forward with your build. So if you have any other questions, feel free to look at the Intertek site, look at the building product certification services so that you can really dial into what it is that we do. Of course, I'm happy to help you with any questions you might have as well. But it's these kind of companies that make it possible for us to build all over the country and into Canada by providing all these different certifications and these inspections when we need it. So they're a great, knowledgeable partner for us to have, and it helps us solve any problems that you might face out there with your building department. So stay tuned next week. We will have a new episode. Thank you.